scientists announced the discovery of habitable caves on the moon. Why this discovery of tunnels on the moon changed the future of lunar exploration. Imagine living on the moon in a place where the temperature is perfect, shielded from deadly radiation, and safe from meteorite impacts. Scientists have just announced the discovery of habitable caves on the moon that could make this dream a reality. Stay with us as we reveal how this groundbreaking discovery could revolutionize space travel and pave the way for human colonies on the moon. This is a story you won't want to miss. Scientists have debated for more than 50 years about the existence of tunnels beneath the lunar surface. Now, in 2024, an international team of researchers has published a study that for the first time confirms the presence of these structures. This discovery could provide a solution to the challenging conditions faced by astronauts on missions to the moon. The scientists have confirmed the presence of a cave on the moon not far from where Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed 55 years ago, bringing humanity one step closer to establishing a base on the lunar surface. An Italian-led research team reported on July 15, 2024, that they found a sizable underground cave in the Moon's Sea of Tranquility, approximately 250 miles, about 400 kilometers, from the Apollo 11 landing site. This discovery was made using radar measurements from NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance orbiter and compared with lava tubes on Earth, with findings published in the journal Nature Astronomy. To reach this conclusion, the researchers used data collected in 2010 by NASA's radar instrument. They reanalyzed the data years later, this time employing complex signal processing techniques developed by their own team. The cave is at least 130 feet deep, providing potential protection for astronauts from harsh space conditions, including radiation, extreme temperatures, and micrometeorites. Lunar caves have remained a mystery for over 50 years, so it was exciting to be able to finally prove the existence of one, said the scientists of the University of Trento. The researchers believe the cave was formed by ancient lava flows on the moon, which existed millions or billions of years ago. This pit, along with over 200 others identified on the moon, was created by the collapse of a lava tube. Their findings suggest there could be hundreds of pits and thousands of lava tubes yet to be discovered. The discoveries have significant implications for future missions to the moon. The lunar environment is hostile, with temperatures reaching 127 degrees Celsius on the sunlit side and dropping to minus 173 degrees Celsius on the dark side. Solar and cosmic radiation is 150 times stronger than on Earth, and there is a constant threat of meteorite impacts. Most astonishingly, the temperature within the passage remains constant at 17 degrees Celsius, which suggests that Earth-like life forms could survive here. Therefore, if this cave is uninhabited, it could potentially become a base for human exploration on the moon in the future. In this environment, the discovered caves could offer a relatively safe location for human presence on the moon for extended periods, as NASA envisions. Previously, it had been proposed a lunar cave plan to establish a space station on the moon, then use bunker buster bombs to create a cave, followed by robots to clean and reinforce the cave, eventually building a lunar base. But now, there is no need to go through the trouble of blasting one open. This is a heaven-sent opportunity. The study published in Nature stated that the cave could be a promising site for a lunar base, offering shelter from the harsh surface environment and supporting long-term human exploration of the moon. Helen Sharman, the first British astronaut to travel to space, suggested that astronauts could establish a base within the next 20 to 30 years, although they might need jetpacks or a lift to access the deep cave. The main advantage of caves is that they provide the primary structural elements for a potential human base without the need for complex construction activities. After all, life on Earth began in caves, so it makes sense that humans could live inside them on the moon. However, the researchers from the European Space Agency urged caution, noting that experts currently know nothing about what lies below the surface and would need to map out the caves. They highlighted the significant opportunities for discovery. Scientists also noted that rock formations and other materials found inside the caves could help them understand the moon's evolution over the past hundreds of years. During NASA's Apollo program, 12 astronauts landed on the moon, beginning with Armstrong and Aldrin on July 20, 1969. The confirmation of this lunar cave marks a significant milestone in lunar exploration and the potential for human settlement on the moon.